Okay, another person who you have an interesting relationship with, Philip Chiyangwa. Just going through Google, panenge kutukana kakawanda. How is your relationship now with Philip Chiyangwa?
Philip is done. Philip is a land baron at the end of the day. He's implicated in land issues and so forth. And Philip is the one that I beat in Marsh West as a chairman. You've got to know that. He thought he would win Marsh West. I don't come from Marsh West. He's a true Zezuru from Zvimba. But I totally cleaned him because he's not liked by people. Philip is a big mouth at the end of the day who doesn't do much. Imbiri Kudara, Philip, whoever follows Philip right now, clearly he hasn't got his head screwed on. There are new players that have come on board. He thinks he's a powerhouse. He thinks he must dictate things. If you look at he's not where he must be Philip. Philip vacillates. Philip is not principled at the end of the day. Even his conversation with his son the other day, if you heard it over the phone, it's sad for a father to speak to a son like that. It's sad. So to me, he has a lot of issues. He needs to go into a psychiatric unit and be helped, because when a son calls you as a father, speak to your son properly and don't bring in issues of the mother. It was a very sad conversation. I don't know if you had it. So for me to really talk about a man who cannot respect his child and even the mother of the child like that, I have differences with Susan, but I respect that she could be the mother of my child. She's a woman at the end of the day. What if I insult her and I do exchanges with her? Those children will grow up. They'll be reading that. What will they make of me? So Philip is not worth anything at all. Philip, ipendi, yakatopera hayo kudara. Pane new players, aripo ku AAG, vakapinda, vakextorta, vakawana mari kwarungu, vakaita business. He ane buildings anotadza kupedza Philip, manga anaripo. And I'm surprised Zanu PF appointed me to be chairman of the fundraising committee. Anotadza kupedza dzimba dzake. Saka anowana kuti mari achitadza kuwana mari yekupedza thing project. Philip is sick right now. Let him take care of his health, and whatever is done has been sour. Okay, has been sour. Ziffa, he failed to run Ziffa. AAG has failed to run Ziffa. He does not even speak in parliament. When you ever seen Philip speak in parliament? Who does he represent? But for social media, Fidza, Gushungu, and I ku ground. Munoshanda nevan ku ground, vakakuvoterai. Social media, kusku campaign. He is just somebody who likes to be given a profile. And to me, speaking like this about Philip is a waste of time. He's not in my class. The level of education I have, he hasn't got. It was his time. Yakapera kudarangwa ya Philip. Anotera Philip, anopenga. Chero mskana anonyengwa na Philip yezozu. Kutane mari anenga tsvagira yake namo.